Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to print a document on your app or for the CANON TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to document print. Now here you guys can choose documents from your phone. Also you can choose photos, so here you guys can choose photos. And basically after that you will be able to get it printed on your Canon. So what you guys need to do basically is make sure that you have the ink and that you have a paper in the paper tray and that it's loaded properly. So after that, when you select a photo, then you will be able to actually print it, as you guys can see. So basically make sure that the paper size and media type is good, then click yes. And here, as you guys can see, let me leave it. As you guys can see, here we can basically just click on print, but I do not have the paper loaded, so I cannot do that now. But basically this is what you guys can do, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.